Today we are going to be integrating x squared times sine of 1 minus x using integration by parts. Start by letting u equal x squared. Then du is 2x dx. 1 divided by 2x du is equal to dx. And then we also have to know what dv is. We'll let dv equal sine of 1 minus x dx. So v is going to equal the integral of sine of 1 minus x dx. Now we could use u substitution again on this term. So if we just take an aside, to perform this integral, we can let u equal 1 minus x. Du is negative dx. Negative du equals dx. So now plug in dx here. So I'll have the integral of sine u and then negative du. Now the derivative of sine is cosine, so the integral of sine is going to be negative cosine. So the negatives go away and we're just left with cosine of u. Now we just have to plug in u again. And this was v. So v equals cosine of 1 minus x. Now we have to use the formula for integration by parts, which is uv minus the integral of v du. Plugging in all of our components, we have x squared. V is cosine of 1 minus x minus the integral of v times du, which is 2x dx. Now to solve this integral, we'll have to use integration by parts one more time. U equals 2x, du equals 2 dx, dv equals cosine of 1 minus x dx. V is the integral of cosine 1 minus x dx. Let's look at this integral separately and use u substitution again to solve. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, so the integral is going to be positive sine. And then plug our u back in, 1 minus x. This is our new v. Now writing our full equation again. Minus, and then this whole this negative 1 is going to be distributed to whatever the integral turns out to be. So we're going to have uv, which comes from here. V is negative sine 1 minus x. So uv minus the integral of v du, which is 2 dx. So let's write it out fully. Copy this down. close to the answer, just one integral left. Let's write what negatives are going to cancel here. This one and this one. And then when we distribute the negative here, we'll get positive 2x sine of 1 minus x minus, pull out the 2, integral sine 1 minus x dx. Now we already did this integral above, so let's look at what we got for the answer. This is cosine of 1 minus x. If we wanted to, we could factor. So we'd have x squared minus 2 times cosine of 1 minus x plus 2x sine of 1 minus x. And because this is an indefinite integral, we need a plus c. And that's it.